So, dear students, very good morning. Today we are going to discuss about design thinking based case study, good waste management system. Okay, so what topic we are going to discuss?
Waste management system.
Good waste management system using design thinking approach. So before going to that topic, we have to know what is design thinking. Yes. Anyone tell me what is design thinking? Very good. It is a user-centric approach. So it has 5 stages. What are the stages?
Empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and testing.
Good. So first we have to do empathy part in designing. Okay. So in a waste management system, what are the empathy part? Empathy part means we have to collect user pain points. Okay. So please be loud. Tell your opinion about this.
Today we are going to speak about the topic design thinking based on waste management principles. So before getting into the topic more deeply, I will introduce my teammates Rajendran, Darshni, Atish, Gokul, Abhinaya, Amrita and I am Bhavna. Before speaking about waste management, I will elaborate design thinking. So design thinking is a human-centric approach where we will think from the user's point of view and gather their problems and we will make innovative solution according to their needs. So it is an iterative process too. So there are 5 stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype and testing. So in empathize, we will evaluate the problems from the users. In define, we will clearly clarify the problem statement. In ideate, we will bring the brainstorming ideas. In prototype, we will make a testable model. In the final stage, testing, we will get the feedback from the users and according to the feedback, we will make the changes. So design thinking is called as the iterative process. Now, we are going to implement design thinking approach on waste management principles. So the majority of the challenges faced by the waste management is there is no inefficient waste disposal methods. There are a lot of environmental impacts and there is no awareness among people and more of the people doesn't know of the waste segregation methods. Over to Amrita.
So, I'm going to explain about the empathy part. So, the empathy means the problem faced by the user. So, in the waste management solution, we facing the empathy understanding the environmental and the social impact of culture. So, in this, we facing that many of individuals or organizations didn't know the effects of how the waste management will affect the community and individuals and wildlife, etc. So for this we tend to involve recycling process or reproducing the waste management. So in the empathy part involves first we analyze the data from the empathy part and we find the correct solution for that problem. Then move on to Abhi.
Let me discuss about the define phase. Analyze the data from the empathy phase, formulating the clear problem statement. For example, how might we improve the efficiency of waste collection in urban area to reduce the environmental impact? Over to Gokul.
So let's talk about the ideate. So as Bhavna told, ideate is nothing but creating brainstorming ideas for a particular problem statement. So here we are creating a brainstorming idea which is creative and which will give a promising solution to that particular problem statement. So for example, here we can implement the ANIoT in the dustbin, so which is automatically segregate the biodegradable or non-biodegradable waste on itself. On the other hand, we can implement some sensors on the top of the dustbin, which is inform us when the dustbin is fully loaded. So over to Atish.
So let me explain about the prototype phase. So from the brainstorming session, we are able to get some ideas relevant to our topic. From this idea, we are able to define a low fidelity prototypes. That is like not an exact working model, but it is maybe useful for a testing phase, through which we are able to conclude that how our idea is converted into a working model.
Let's see about test phase. In test phase, we are testing the real time with users collected data, and we observing that collected data by sensors. In sensors, we collecting the data, and then we convert it into connectivity and we data processing, and we get a user interface in mobile or PC. We can see real-time data where dustbin is overflow or something suspicious.
In conclusion, design thinking approach provides a rapid prototyping and iterative testing to refine the solutions like smart waste bins and segregation apps and compositing units. This approach gives a user-focused innovation solution to manage the waste management efficiently.
Okay, so thank you students for your opinion about waste management system. So we discussed about empathy part. In that we collect the empathy, that means user pain points in that. What is the ideate part in this? Anyone tell me?
So in the ideate part, we are implementing the AI and IoT.
We can use artificial intelligence, Internet of Things to provide the best solution. Okay. So one of the solution is we can develop the application for waste collecting management system. After that, we can develop a smart dustbin. Okay. So we have to analyze here. What are the pain points faced by the customers? That is end user of the process. Okay. So thank you students. I hope you understand the basic concept of waste management system and also how design thinking is used to give the best solution. Okay. So thank you all. Have a nice day.